Right now, half the Earth is bundling up for a raging blizzard, while the other half is building sandcastles on a sweltering beach. But here is the really wild part. When you are freezing in the middle of winter, Earth is actually physically closer to the sun. It's time to look at the mechanics of our orbit and find out exactly why we have seasons. It is super easy to guess that summer happens because Earth flies closer to the sun, like walking toward a campfire to get warm. Great guess, but totally false. If getting closer to the giant fire in the sky isn't what makes us hot, an entirely different mechanical force must be controlling the planet's weather. Take a look at this model. Earth doesn't spin perfectly straight up and down. It is permanently tilted 23.5 degrees on its axis, leaning over like a crooked spinning top. All year long, Earth travels in a massive circle around the sun, an orbit that takes exactly 365 days. And the whole time it travels, that exact tilt stays locked in place. Watch what happens to the sunlight. When your half of the planet leans directly toward the sun, you get hit with straight, strong rays. All that concentrated light brings the heat, creating summer. But 6 months later, when your half is tilted away from the sun, those exact same light rays hit you at a sharp slant. The light spreads out, gets weaker, and leaves your half colder. That is winter. It is the directness of the light angle hitting the surface, not how close we are to the heat source, that dictates a season's temperature. Because of this specific geometry, the northern and southern hemispheres experience exact opposite seasons at the exact same time. When December hits, the northern hemisphere leans away from the sun, bringing freezing temperatures and heavy winter coats to places like New York. On that very same day, the southern hemisphere leans toward the sun. Down in Australia, December means grabbing a surfboard and heading to the beach for a hot summer afternoon. And remember that wild fact I mentioned earlier? NASA tracking confirms that Earth reaches its absolute closest physical point to the sun in early January. Since January brings freezing winter weather to the north, despite the planet being millions of miles closer to the sun, we know one thing for sure. Tilt, not distance, is the law of planetary seasons. Challenge time! Question 1. What is Earth doing as it spins that creates our seasons? It leans. Earth is permanently tilted. Question 2. Does summer happen because we fly closer to the sun? Nope, it is all about the tilt. Question 3. When it is summer in your hemisphere, what season is happening on the exact opposite side of the world? Winter! You aced it! Smash that subscribe button right now to join the lab crew before our next major science adventure. Let's recap. 1. Earth sits at a 23.5 degree tilt. 2. The half leaning toward the sun gets direct light and hot summer weather. And 3. Tilt always beats distance. Want to see it yourself? Grab a grown-up and shine a flashlight straight down onto a piece of paper. Then tilt the paper. See how the slanted light spreads out and gets weaker? That slant is exactly how winter light works. So now you know why we have seasons. But what makes a giant spinning ocean storm with winds so strong it forms a perfectly calm eye right in the middle? Tap right here to find out exactly how hurricanes form.